Hi guys, this is Saddam Hussain and welcome to my channel A to Z English Skills. This tense means past perfect tense is not an easy tense to understand, but I've tried my level best to make it as easier as I could. In this lesson, I'm going to describe the linking words such as before, after, and because. They are used in past perfect tense. I'm going to tell about negatives and interrogatives as well. Not only this, but also the contractions they are used in past perfect tense. So, without getting late, let's get started. The past perfect tense indicates that an action was completed at some point of past before something else happened. Its helping verb is had. Its structure is subject plus helping verb plus third form of verb plus object. For negative, not is used after helping verb. For interrogative, we place helping verb before subject. The past perfect tense is a linking tense. This is the reason that I consider this tense the most difficult tense out of all 12 tenses. Why is it linking tense? Because it cannot give sense individually. Past perfect tense need a past simple tense to give complete sense. In this tense, two actions happened in the past. Because both of the actions happened in the past, so one action is called remote action and second action is called recent action. For the remote action, we use past perfect tense, and for the recent action we used past indefinite tense. For the past perfect tense, we use subject plus helping verb plus third form of verb plus object. For the past indefinite tense, we need subject plus second form of verb plus object. We need to identify that which action happened in the remote past, means which action happened first, and which action happened in the recent past, means which action happened second. For joining both these tenses, means past indefinite and past perfect, we need a linking word. We need mostly these two linking words, before and after. It has few other linking words, but especially these two linking words, before and after. After describes that an action had completed before another action. It is placed with past perfect tense. Example: after I had taken dinner, I went out for a walk. It indicates that action of taking dinner occurred before action of going outside for a walk. Another example is, after she had heard the news, she told everyone. Here, she had heard the news first, then she told everyone. So we are using past perfect in hearing the news and past indefinite in telling everyone. Let's discuss about before. Before describes that an action completed after another action. It is always placed with past indefinite tense. Example: I had done my work before my mother said. It indicates that mother said after the action of doing work had been completed. Jonathan had arrived before the class started. I went to their party because they had invited me. Here, because is linking the past indefinite and past perfect. The contraction of did and not is didn't or didn't. The contraction of had and not is hadn't. And the contraction of I had is I'd. I apostrophe D. So take care that I would has also the same contraction, I apostrophe D. But it depends upon the situation, that in what situation the speaker is speaking. We can identify whether it is the contraction of I would or it is the contraction of I had. Here a short story I'm going to describe in front of you so that you can understand them and try to make yourself correct. Yesterday I went for a visit. After I had arrived in the city, I visited the zoo. After I had visited the zoo, I went to the restaurant. After I had arrived at the restaurant, I ordered the lunch. After I had ordered the lunch came. I can make easily this sequence of sentences in before. I had arrived the city before I entered the zoo. I'd visited the zoo before I went to the restaurant. That's how you can join the linking words. And it's very necessary that you need past indefinite and past perfect to make any story. It has got a huge importance in the English tenses, because if you want to describe any story either in speaking or in writing, you need past perfect and past indefinite. For describing any story, you need to go sequence by sequence. So for the sequence by sequence, you need past perfect and past indefinite terribly. That's all about today's lecture. We will meet with another lecture very shortly. Thank you.